Hello future tech leaders, I'm Sindhuja. Based on my own experience, I know that learning the right skills can shape our future. What if I say learning was as thrilled as the tech world itself? There we go. A cloud foundation, that's exactly what you will experience. From day one, you will be immersed in the interactive sessions and expert-led courses that covers most of the widely used technologies in the zone of data science to cloud computing, which brings more light to the life of a techie. I'm so excited to help you and unlock the true potential of a technology. Well, then why to wait? Let's see what it unfolds.
As I said, like we are going for data management, data import visit. As I said, like you have already been taken that CSV file to import into Salesforce. How to import the data I'm showing now here. Because the CSV file is already available with enough data which have been downloaded. This is where just a sec. This is where I have downloaded with CSV file. This is a CSV file. Just downloading the data from. I exported this CSV file. From Salesforce itself. Now what I am doing is I'm importing the same file into Salesforce. Go to Setup. From Data Management. Data Export, click on Data Export. Export. Now, these are all the objects which are available in Salesforce. What you are doing is we are exporting object from Salesforce, exporting object, in a sense, exporting the data of the object. Scroll down. Select contact there. There is contact. Scroll up. Just for include Salesforce files and Salesforce here and only documentation include images, no need. Now click on that file, export encoding. First one. Scroll that in. Let it be. You can put like any code UTF. No, that will be text. Note. You just close it. Come out of the export, click on Start Export button there. Click on that. It will notify you. An email will be sent from Salesforce. It will be scheduled for Toronto and ULB. Once it is completed, you will be getting an email. That is what it happened. Now, what we have done is we have taken the data export. Then, after taking the data export, we will be adding some data for that. That's the CSV file. We will be adding some more data for that and we will import the data. Makes sense. What is that process? Really what we do is we will be taking a CSV file from our client. That is, they will be providing a CSV file for inputting the data. Once we get that CSV file, we will be going through all the details of that CSV file which contains name. These are all the data: name, email, ID, phone number. What are the required fields? We do have. Everything will be available in that CSV file and the data which you have. The CSV file is also required, not as required, just the data which needs to be uploaded into your Salesforce. That data also will be provided in that CSV file. Once we get that CSV file, we will be importing that through Import Wizard. Once we start that CSV file, importing it asks for many steps. We have to follow that steps, and at the last, the data, what happens is it gets mapped. Mapped with the CSV file with your org, whatever the org you select. Generally, what happens is we will be having two options, that is sandbox and production. When we are moving that to sandbox, we will be selecting that sandbox and we need to authenticate with username and password. Once we're done, system will log in into that specified sandbox and the data starts importing once map file is updated. Means the link between this CSV file and to this Salesforce sandbox that will be shown there with your map. What are the map fields need to be imported into Salesforce? Once we start doing it, then the whole process will be started, and once it is done importing into your Salesforce, then it sends a notification again that the data has been imported, that you can able to go and check your data which is available in your org. Makes sense what I said? This is the flow action. This is the process. Can you check? Meanwhile, can you check your email? Yes, click on that link. Yes, download. Take the drip file. Now you can see ID is delete master record contact, which is having linked with account ID, first name, last name, and all the data. What you do is save this one. Save as, click on Save As. It will be seen to your PC. Might be wherever, but make sure that it is easy to access the desktop. It's fine. Yes, like Salesforce. We do have Save As type. Click on that Save As type. Yes, here I need to see the limited. Scroll on. And this much. Click on comma dimly delimited. Whatever the PSF which you do have exists. Same thing. Just now what you are going to do is we are just removing that ID. ID is delete master. Select them that 3 columns and delete it. Delete account ID also. account ID and sanitation. Whatever it is. Besides that, this one also. Delete it. Delete the data. You just keep till third column. That is first, second, third column. Select the rest data and delete it. Data 3 from column, row 3 from row 3. Row 3, that is John Amos. Select that completely tool end. From there, select the data. Yes, let it be Jennifer. Jennifer, let it be rest everything you just delete. All the data. The third one. Second one you just left, leave it also from third one, from John to Tutelaran. That is still 9. You just delete the data. This is one of the major things which we do. Make sure you are doing the same. You did everything. All the data should be. You delete everything. Delete all the data no. From third column, delete everything. Now just check whether whatever the space is there, whatever spaces which are not filled, you just check the data there. You just hold this. Can you remove that Jennifer and rename to any of your name? The name to your name. No. Don't do any first name or something like that. Just come to. That's it. What is that? Second one, that is the last name. You just remove that and give you a name. Give you a name. Now we will just check any required. That's the first name, last name and phone number. Just check the phone number. Let it be because it is already having, because I just want to make sure all the required fields are available. Go to the file and save this file as Salesforce one. Go to File. Save this as Salesforce. On your desktop, keep it in your desktop. Make it as one. Just click on. That's done. Now what you did is you are having a CSV file which is named with Salesforce one. Got? This is CSV or C. Delimited. This is called as D multi-sample verification format, something that is given by Salesforce. That is given by Excel. For everything, this is the .cv file where we are using for any data to be imported or exported. Salesforce or outside the Salesforce. Even for Oracle also, you will be using the same process. Go to File Save. It is saved. Yes, started. Save it and you can able to close this. If one save, that is Salesforce one, then close. Hold. Just open that because we will be removing all the empty columns. Salesforce 1. Remove all the empty fields. Whatever you are having, all empty fields. From C2 because middle name no need. Select that. Just drag it. Just select the data, that's it. Then columns, you can able to select that. Delete column. The same thing. Save it for this. Mobile number was there. I said this is one of them. Whatever the columns which are empty and remove them. That's it. Because this all the fields will be populating you and asking for you to give the data while importing. That's why we are just removing them. Make sure we are removing all the data. Did you? You remove all the data with the headers also. Don't. They control X. Yes, one more. One more time. Because that. Remove this one, making that it is entire thing should be removed. That is like column. Remove all of them. Entire column. Select them completely. Make sure you are deleting entire column. You can select all. You can select all and delete it from C. Give them. Delete entire column. Entire column. Now do the same thing. For which is not having any data, just take your half. You just keep your scroll up. One ID. You remove that one and I. And email also rename it. Rename it. There is email. Rename that email. Like info1.com info1. Just to make sure this every day, that data is imported perfectly. Info1. Make sure info1. I need some. I tell we don't want department, we don't want opted, we don't want to remove them. Select everything from, do not call from, do not call from, go call them to last. You just select everything and delete it. Delete. It's not coming up. From call them all. Was delivered. That's it. We will just check once more. Everything is fine. Now save as sales first one because you just click on that save it. Now it is already there. You can save it. Save it. You can save it. Is all the same. Yes? You can able to close this. Now go to your Salesforce. Now start import visit. Data import visit. Just above your data export, you are having data import visit. One. Now start launch wizard. Now select a pound and contacts. Add new record. Because what we are doing, we are adding a new record to the Salesforce import. Much on that by. Match a pound by. We don't have anything, none, because our count is not it. We have just do only the contact. Now select the CSV file. Or you can able to drag and drop. Even that can be happen. You can select CSV file. Now choose where you have saved it. The next. This one. No, we are not having any triggers now. We are just importing the data. No, triggers nothing before. First name last time. Did you see this? All the mapping will be happened here. These are all called map CSV. First name, last name, main street. Everything will be given here. Last one is like unmapped. It's like we don't have that. We can able to just remove it. If you have any, just select the next. You need to have the required. All in. No map. Map. Click on map. Select the field like latitude. Scroll down to the count field of contacts. Yes, in the contacts. What is the field we need to map? What is that field? Mailing latitude. You just select keep like, scroll down. On the data. Rolled out. Not that this one. This one. This much on this. This much. There you can select. Can you select anything like mapping? I mean mailing. The type they find the field in the field. Just type mailing. Mailing city, mailing country. Mailing postal. We need to give the data there. For what? For it, there somehow that is a required field. For mailing attitude. Mailing latitude. Click on mailing city. Just click on mailing city. We can able to find it. Scroll down. You can able to save this. Don't quit. Continue working. You need to save this. In the side corner. Side corner, you are having a scroller. Scrolling down. Just check that. You find anything. This one in the here. Can you see anything? Just select this and pull to up. Pull up. Click on next. Click on next. Let's see. You need to map the required field. I have given that required field. Then what? Now go to data import. Yes, visit again. This is where we need. We will be doing every day. Before getting into starting with Salesforce. Cause and contacts again. Same step. And you record. Select the match. That's it. Select that. Salesforce. You are having all. Again and. Can you remove 17Z? The most 17Z because we are having that 17Z. And map Salesforce 1. Salesforce 1. Now you've got the process. How to do it? This is the way we need to do. Mailing latitude. No, don't. Hold. Don't remove that field. Change Z. Select that. Yes, remove that 7Z which is in the last. Come also. Now save it. Go back. Close this. No, refresh will not hold good. You need to cancel it. Cancel and again import. You saved it? Yes, sir. Again, it's fine. You just remove that and we will just remove that column. Remove that column. It shouldn't be a map and field. Remove that column. In Salesforce 1. Control the H. Delete the entire column. Now save it. Yes, those mailing address should be there, I believe. Let's see. How we take a quick. No, not a quit. Font to that, like that. Now save it. Now next select next. Why you need? You need to map the required field. No, hold. Let me see what exactly it is. Required account name. But we don't have any account. Did we give any account name there in Salesforce 1? But that is required field. Let's click on. Scroll down. Scroll down. What is it has? Cont. Cancel it. Cancel it. And what is here Salesforce? One page Excel. Give like account a name, type account name. Like go. Column. Column. I found the name type of name. Yes, in that name. But it requires again, it gets to add with that account name. You need to add the give 1, 2, 3, 4 something. Account name. Save it. Close it. But it asks again for account name. First we need to import account name, then account contacts. But let's see. Because it will create a guy for account. Let's see. Leave it. Just leave it. Just leave it. No worries. Let's see if it is. It will not throw any error. Let's see. Select like none. Select none. He's not saying. Hold. Go ahead. Choose while. Yes, sales first one. Did you get any error there? Scroll down. Still any other. Are you showing any department name? No worries. You might be asking again for department. Next, click on next. In fields map. Unmapped field 0. Start import. Imported file has been successfully launched. One record with account name has been imported. Did you see this? Record has been recreated. Now go and check the record there. Go back and check in accounts. Checking contact. My contact. Contact. Click on contacts. All of the contacts, all contacts. Select go. Like you are having, you can see, go there. Select to go. You know which one you have downloaded, you have imported. That is Chananra. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Can you see that? Select that Charanrar. Can you recheck? All the data has been imported here. Whatever you have given. Everything is imported. You are given title, email, phone number, mobile, address, everything. This is where how the import and export will happen. And this is for just for you have done for adding. If you want to edit this, you are going for an option you need to select. You need to select option is get. Not here, not here. From CSV. When you are starting data import, if you want to change the data for existing record, there what you want to select is first you will be getting new record, then you will be getting update record. Did you see it? Did you saw that? Yes, in CSV file while importing the CSV file. And not here, not here. Go to Salesforce. Set. You are having data import wizard there in the side. Click on that. Scroll down. Scroll down, select data import wizard. That is from data management. Go to data. Click on this. Sorry, my bad. Launch wizard. Select account and contact. Now you are having 3 options here. Did you see that? Add new record. Update existing record. Add new and update existing record. If you are editing any existing record, there you can able to select the option 2. Third option is if you are adding and updating existing record, the option is 3. Makes sense? Once we have selected for add new records, we have selected and imported that correct. We did it. Now we have done add new record. And finally, do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel.